Did I ever tell y'all about me baking? I love to bake and that kind of thing, and how it along the way, how it helped me heal, think, process, and lessen my triggers as well. I know I talked to y'all about journaling and writing and healing, but like I said, this is another way that, of course, helped me. It wasn't just to sit there and think about things. I used my creativity to, of course, to help me heal in that kind of manner. And I also used that creativity, of course, it did turn into a business as well. I guess I put it that way. But like I said, throughout the years, I've been baking and making stuff since I was young. I started off with my great grandmom in the kitchen, 2, 3, 4, 5 years old, stirring up the pancake mix. So she always made homemade pancake mix, cornbread, all those types of things. And of course, I was the famous stirrer, stirring everything. At a certain point, she let me add like seasonings and eggs and milk and that kind of thing. Whatever she told me, of course, the ingredients were, and like to how to measure that kind of thing too. Like I said, I started very young, but like I said, I've also had a lot of trauma and drama that happened in my life as well. And along the way, throughout the years, like I said, I started baking when I officially got in my apartment on my own when I was 19 years old. Hold on. Trying to see, was I 18? I was 18 going 19 years. I want to say I was already probably 19 years old. When I first got my first apartment through college, that kind of thing. Was living on my own, where I did have my own stove so I could start baking. I had one of them easy bake ovens back when I was a kid. And of course my mom, of course, like I said, living like with my parents, I didn't bake a whole lot of things, even though because we didn't have the money to pay for it. And I'll tell you about that in a totally different video. But like I said, definitely still having that love for baking, having that love for making stuff, sweets and that kind of thing. I've always loved that. No matter how healthy I'm eating, I guess I put it that way. I'll still sample. I know we can always, of course, try things. We don't have to go overboard and have a whole 2, 3 packs of cookies and this kind of thing. I know how to, of course, do anything in moderation. But like I said, with the baking and the healing, like I said, throughout the years, all the things that I've been through, sexual abuse, divorce, parents' deaths, all those types of things. Like I said, I definitely had to have something to fall back on besides the journaling helped as well. But like I said, in order for me to, of course, release a lot of things, I have to put my energy to work. I'm one of those folks who, of course, who love to be creative, who love to make stuff, who puts my heart and soul into making those things. And like I said, when I do that, I'm putting all my love in there as well. When I do that, I'm helping myself release the trauma, the dramas, and giving myself a chance to think, to sit quiet with myself while I'm in the kitchen cooking, baking, that kind of thing. And like I said, I just want to let y'all know that and tell y'all that little story. 'Cause I'm going to be adding some more of these little baking to heal stories coming up soon, so y'all can know kind of what I went through, my story, my journey, and my continued on journey as well. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you love to bake,